Hey guys, welcome to another video of this series where we are going to be developing a news app from scratch. And in this video, we are going to be including all the Gradle dependencies in our Android Studio project. We're going to be making an Android Studio project and including the dependencies, the Gradle dependencies. So let's dive right into it without any further ado. Uh, fire up your Android Studio and make a new project. You can click on empty activity and name your app whatever you want. We are going to be naming this app as news app. So I have already done this. You just have to click finish and new project will be created for you. I have already done this, so I'm just gonna open my already created new news app project. So it's gonna take its time with all the uh, Gradle build process. So yeah, once you are done with that, you're going to see this file structure on your left hand side inside the project pane, and you're gonna have to head right into the build.gradle file, the app level build.gradle file, and in that this is the file where we are going to be uh, including all of the dependencies. So uh, I have the Gradle dependencies right here with me, and I'm going to be including these Gradle dependencies inside the description of this video. So make sure to check it out. And one more thing, that if you haven't subscribed to my channel or liked any of my videos, make sure to do that. It's really great when you guys appreciate and support me, and to that really motivates me in making more videos related to Android development. So we're going to copy these variables, and we're going to write like copy and paste it inside this dependencies block. And uh, so we're going to include copy we're going to copy this Jetpack navigation library, and we are going to cut this version, and we are going to like separate it out in a variable. So make sure that you have these double quotes inside your uh, like over here, and we are just going to be copy, and we're just going to copy and paste this variable. Same for the same for this one. So for the rest, we are going to copy the fragments, view model and live data, the coroutines. So paste that over here. And yeah, so we're just going to sync that, and just to make sure that we don't come up with any errors. It's gonna take its time depending upon your processor and your laptop's RAM and everything. Make sure to sync your Gradle every time you add dependency, just to be sure and check if everything's working or not, because I could have just copied all of these at once, and uh, by chance if I like could have encountered Gradle error, but then I wouldn't uh, know which library is messing up with me. So just to make sure, we are going to be syncing these Gradle dependencies. So we are also going to copy the room database, retrofit, JSON, swipe to refresh, Lottie animations, and copy that over here. We're going to improve its indentation a little bit. Okay, so once you're done that, sync it again. So you guys already would see the JUnit dependencies already added over here by default, but just in case if you encounter an error, or uh, by any chance you see that the JUnit libraries are not added here, you can add them by just copying these three dependencies. So we are also going to be using the Android view binding. So we are going to enable that as well. So we are going to go ahead and do that. So copy this dependency right here, not dependency, but we're going to like enable it, like let the Android Studio know that we are going to um, enable the view binding. So go ahead and paste it underneath the default config block and sync it again. So once you're done with that and you haven't encountered any errors, then you're good to go. You can just to be sure that everything's working fine and correctly, you can like clean and rebuild it again. Yeah, that's it for this video. In the next video we are going to be actually diving right inside the MVVM structure, and most probably we are going to be writing the retrofit network manager or something like that. So yeah, stay tuned, and if you haven't already seen my first video, the getting started video of this series, in that series we had been talking about the basic prerequisites of this course, downloading the Java JDK, this Android Studio IDE. So if you haven't checked that out, make sure to check that out as well. So yeah, see you guys in the next video, and I will be seeing you guys there. So